Hello friends, in the previous video what we have learned, we have removed the actions, bulk actions that is hold from this sales order grid in the previous video. Now in the catalog, products, I don't want the admin should delete any of the product. So any of the admin, I don't want to give this option delete. That is very dangerous that they can delete, sometimes mishappening done. So I don't want to give them the delete option. So now on the products page, how I'm going to do that. So let's begin this tutorial. For before, please, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please do like, share, please subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment. That's very important. That's very crucial part, because every time I come up with a new video, searching something new for you, and giving my best for the Magento tutorials and all other tutorials, I'm also giving the best for it. Okay, and this is the only, I guess, and suppose you also guess, that this is the only that have the most of the Magento tutorials that I have in my playlist. Okay, so let's go and check how we are going to hide this delete option. So begin the tutorial. So let's go, we are going to create the same steps we are going to follow. So here we have Rajnikant, right? So in the this we have order mass. So I'm going to copy whole fledge and just paste it with the rename. With we have order mass, we have product product mass action. Okay, in etc we have to again write the product mass action. Order should be replaced by product mass action. Got it? I'm going to copy this so that I will add it frequently. So product mass action, let's go to the UI mass action, just copy over here. This is basically for the mass action. This is basically a UI component, we have to overriding it. Okay, we need to create this. Okay, next we have to go with the product mass action, then view admin HTML UI component. Yeah, we need to here we need don't need to go with the sales order. So here we have to put the product product listing. Okay, so if I go and check the UI component, that we have a product listing. So I'm going to copy this UI, paste product listing.xml, listing.xml, and here we have to add this one. Sorry, so here we have product mass section. So I'm going to copy and add this here, that is product mass action. Okay, so in the we are going to take it as a mass action again. Okay, so let's go and check this UI component. This is done. So basically this is product mass action etc module.xml. Is it correct? Let's check. Yeah, it is correct. Next move, we have to create the UI. Before this we have to create the view, right? Admin HTML UI component, then product listing, because this is the product listing toolbar, right? So you need to open this and oh, sorry, open this, and this here we have to Rajnikant product mass section UI mass section. Go to the, then again we have to go for the UI mass section.php. This is done. Rajnikant product mass section. Here we have to find out, this is hold order, that is the previous one. So we are, I'm going to add the delete. Okay, because here it is delete, right? Delete. Okay, I'm adding the delete one. Okay, and what left we have, mass section is done, UI part is done, registration part is pending. So let's add this one with the product mass action. Done. Let's run the commands. Okay, so let's run the, first of all, compile. Okay, so it's running. Hardly take 2-3 minutes. My system is so fast. Next we need to go with the wait. Now we need to go to the deployment, and after that we need to go with the permissions. Okay, done. Paste it. Done. So let's move to this one and check. Delete option should be height. Original product mass UI mass action does not exist. Product mass action. Let's check what exactly it is. Oh, this is product mass action. This is we have forget to this product mass action. Product mass action, rename it, and product mass action. Okay, let's. I think we need to do the braid deploy in commands. Okay, so reload this. Done. Delete option is hidden. Now nobody can delete the products, right? So this is very that's very easy, and you can say that you have successfully done this kind of things, right? So I think this is done from my side. Okay, so if you have any query regarding this one, so please let me know in my comment box whether you like the video. Those who have pick up like thumbs up, like dislike or something like this, please also they can write in the comment box why they dislike it, right? So that I can improve it. Okay, so if they have any issue, you have facing any issue regarding this what we have taught, so just let me know in the comment box. Please do like, share and comment, and just do that. And yes, okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Please do like, share and comment, and reach it like like millions, not like at least it should cover up with the 1 lakh subscriber at least. Currently it's very low. Okay, thank you so much. Have a great day.